in case we were at Reliance. So in case of Reliance, you can look for the buy setup. Like after this might be A, B, and C, or at least to this top again for 2193 and further to 2330. So look for buy in case of Reliance, not to sell. It is trying to cross the trend line, but might be like not in a lesser time. This is an important level for us, that is 2099. So it has just reversed from that level. So hope it might do one more up to the level of 2197 or 2197. Then it might reverse. That is so. But as of now, you can look for the buy setup for at least 2198 or something. But if further goes, it will be going to go for one more up. That is for upside, or at least like a 38 or 61% of this total upside that is coming for 2323 level. So this can be expected in case of Reliance. So look for the buy, not to sell. TCS, again it is consolidating after one upside. So here you can look for the buy. If you see this upside, now it is like 1, 2, 3, 4. If it continues little bit downside, and then one more up. So look for buy setup in case of TCS, not to sell. Okay, S&P, what it says. In the last week of that, we were expecting like this to do one up, and the time wise it might be matching with that of the flat. If you remember, like this is the time, or this is something has started from this point. So it is like 100% of the time. If I'm doing this, is will be the 300% of the time. Now it will be like 400% of the time or more than that. Yeah, it is near 400 change. Or if just I'm extending this might be going for the 300% or 300% plus. So we can add that also. Like if something has started from this end, just I'm changing color to red. Internal also. Okay. Further I'm copying it. It will be 300% of the time. That will be matching for 300% of time. A very fair, maybe 20th adjustment, 2 to 3 days. We are at this. It might be doing one more up, and then we expect a little bit of fall, maybe to level 61% or 80% of this total fall. So in case of S&P, I'm super like here, it is doing the structure that of the flat. So maybe A here or A here. We are at the B. So we'll definitely get one fall. Maybe this for 2791, 2993 further falls to 2649. So look for sell setup in case of S&P. This is like a B structure. Now we are going to go for the C. Okay. So look for sell setup in case of S&P, not to buy. Okay. So now house is open with the questions. If you have any, you can unmute yourself and ask, or else you can type so that we'll be looking. And please specify the time frame so that we'll be looking only that time. Okay. So if anything I'm missing, no, right? Done everything. Alkyl amines, hourly, daily, and weekly, GMM for you. Indian Nippon Electronics. Okay. Alkyl amines. This is hourly structure. In this, we can expect like 1 and 2. It might be the 3 and 4, or a part of the third wave that can also happen. Like if it consolidates one more time, or a little bit downside, we can expect one more up for 5. This is like 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5. So it can come to the level of 2729 or further to 2648 or something. Then we can expect one more up for upside 3100 or 3186 level. So look for the buy in case of alkyl amines, not to sell. Okay, on the daily basis, nothing has changed. It is not for the sell, means it is not closed below the previous day's low. So it is in the person. Next candle will decide whether to go in a top or whether to stay in a sell. Okay. So if you are in the basis of like a weekly structure, there is no sell it. Okay. If you're on the daily, there is a sell, but it is inside the candle. So we can wait for this upside and this low side, that is of 6119 and what is this level 5520. That will give a further confirmation. But as per this, it is like a three candles. Now it is a three candles. So maybe retracing to the level of 38% or something. Hourly, I'll look. So now we can see from this top or from this down, maybe at, yeah, 50% or 38%. So here we can expect one more up. There is no need to worry in case of GMM fraud on the hourly basis. It can like do this or some complex correction that may happen, or from here straight to 7,900, or after this 6,900 and 7,900. So look for buy, not to sell in case of GMM fraud. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
What is that? Nippon.
India Nippon. Space. India Nippon Electrical. I think there is a space.
This one?
India Nippon Electrical.
Nippon.
NIPPON. India Nippon Electricals.
It's NP double P or only?
There's a IND-NIPPON. The fifth one.
This one. Yeah. On the daily, okay. On the hourly basis, it is like a completing ABC, maybe to the level of 392 or like here it is again like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Further it can go. That is up to the percentage of 80 of this down from top to bottom. That is from the 471 to this level, that is 400. It is near 400, so I'm expecting in case of 15 minutes, it will be going to the 400 and 400 and change. One up can be expected because this is after one consolidation. It might be 3 and 4. Now a small 5 can be expected in this case of Nippon India. This is like 3 and 4. After this correction, we'll expect one more up. That is 404, 420 can be expected in case of Nippon India.
Thank you, sir.
So here, Pushpenderji is asking like Tata Steel, Tata Motors, and Tata Consumers. Okay, time frame, sir. By default, I'll be looking in hourly. So earlier we were expecting one buy, that is from this level A and B to one top. So now this will be the new trend line. This is the top. Okay, whatever we can expect here is, sorry, a little bit above, that is for 61% and 80% of this fall. Maybe we are at 50%. We can expect it one more up, maybe after this, a 149 or further to 169. So look for buy in case of Tata Motors. Like if it is consolidating, we will be getting one more for 149 and 169 to the 80%. Okay, not to sell, only like below 102 or something, we'll be looking for the sell, not for sell. It is for the buy. Tata Motors and Tata Steel. It is near like 61% or 80%. The time wise, one fall can be expected in case of Tata Steel or something has started new here also. Let's say A, and this will be like B, and you are looking for the C. It might be 1, 2, 3, 4. After this, we'll be getting one more up. That time it will be completing A and B. We'll be looking one down, maybe to the 340 level or to 506 now, then up. Maybe the flat structure which I'm looking in case of Tata Steel. But if you're looking in a longer time frame, a longer horizon, don't buy. Only buy after the recent top is taken out, that is 435. It might give you some consolidation here and some one upside. That's it. Because the time wise, it is not in favor of buy. Maybe this or maybe this or here. It's something new. It is already done the 100%. So I'm looking one sell in case of Tata Steel also. It might be coming to the level of 80% or 100%. That is fine, but that will be reversing point for Tata Steel. So look for the sell, that is better in case of Tata Steel, not to buy. Tata Consumers, the daily, we will see whether it is going for channel stop. So this whole structure which we going for this, from this 161%, that is obvious, like 458. On daily structure, nothing has changed. Maybe something has started from this point or this point. You can look for the buy. One, two, here it might be like a 3 and 4 after this correction. The channel, this is a good time, like if it is coming to the channel stop, then you can buy for one more up for 650 or 640. So look for buy, not to sell in case of consumer, and Tata Motors is a buy. Tata Steel is for the sell. Okay. Mega Money Organics, early and weekly. Okay. So first we'll look for the weekly and then come to the. On the weekly basis, it is for the buy. There is no sign of sell or something. So here at least it will do the 61% or to the 80% again. So why I'm looking that is because if you look this structure whole, A and B, something has started. Maybe this is like a B. Something new has big between this level. This is like a 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. That will be like A. After that, we will be getting the B and one more C for 92 and 106. So on the weekly basis, it is for the buy. On the hourly basis, on the hourly basis, it might come to the level of channels, one down before it can go any further. That will be matching with the expanding triangle of this 75, 76 level. Okay. In hourly basis, it is for the sell up to the level of 65 or 62. Then we can look for one up in case of Mega Money Organics like this. Okay. Now, Bayes crop daily and hourly basis. Okay. Bayes crop science. It is for the like buy on the hourly basis. If you're looking, it might be something else. But if you're looking in case of daily structure, it is good. Something has started at this particular point, and I'm just taking this as a trend line and this as a. So now something has begun new in this particular point. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth. So internally, if I see, it might be 1 and 2, or something has started at this particular point. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 1 and 2. It is not the 3. So something 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is finished. Might be the part of 3 and 4. So 1 and 2. So 3 and 4. Now we are going for the fifth wave. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. So after this fifth wave, if we consolidate a little bit, that will be a good sign. We are going to go one more up in case of Bayes operations. Look for the buy, not for sell. So wait for this correction, or you can trade the fifth wave, then wait for this correction, then re-enter, go for higher level. That is for maybe 7,800 or 7,000 change.
Okay, sir. Fib levels, please, sir.
Fifth wave.
Fifth wave Fibonacci levels. Yeah.
So you go for this, like something has started from this 1 and 3 first. So you can add trend line basis first, then we will decide like Fibonacci basis. So here,
Okay.
this is like 1 and 2, and this is 3 and 4 form. This has a triangle correction, this has like zigzag correction. Alternation also, like this is a triangle or something. Here is a zigzag has finished. Now it is for the upside. Minimum is 80% of this that has done. Okay, 80% of the fourth wave will be the fifth wave. But as per the Fibonacci, we can calculate only from this 2 to 3. That is minimum 38% will be like 7 to 7.5. That level can be expected, but minimum to minimum is 80% of this fall. So it has done now. The only thing is that when you will come to know that fifth has got over, when it crosses internal waves, again, like you can need to go for in 15 minutes or 30 minutes chart. You can watch like whatever this has started, this might be the one. Okay, from this level, it is a gap, but it has done maybe 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1 for me, this is 2 for me.
Some impulse is pending, right?
This is the impulse wave. So it will be doing like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here there is like here after this correction, you might be doing this 3, and after this 4, and after this will be the 5. Okay, that is a minimum. So minimum has done, but this might be the part of first wave of the fifth. So here you can expect like this is the minimum Fibonacci level. So what you can expecting, like if it is first wave is extended, then what is your target will be 705. If it is not, okay, if the movement of this is sharper, let's say the third wave is sharper a little bit, so then your level will be 261%. That is for 8,000.
Okay.
Meanwhile, you can add like 30 minutes trend line. So that will be giving you hint like, okay, nowhere this structure is changing. So I may wait for this to touch this high. So that is again matching for here 1,700 or this level 8,200. Okay, that will be the maybe and this will be matching at this particular point, 7,600 or 7,800.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bandhan Bank.
Mahadev ji.
Abhi. Yes, you can. Tell me.
Yeah. Bitcoin USD.
Yeah, look. Bandhan hourly, it is for the buy because after this long consolidation, maybe from this, it will be near to this. Bandhan Bank, one upside can be expected, maybe to the 61% or 38%. To this level, you can look for the buy for 357 or 390. That is minimum. So that will again depend how fast and how slow it will come. If it is faster, it will do this. If it is slower, one. Okay. So look. Meanwhile, you can look for the smaller cell at 260 or 268 level, or you can wait for that. If it comes to the level of 268 or 270, you can look for the buy. Okay. On the basis of weekly structure, if you're looking. It is inside the channel, so it might do this. After this, we can slowly expect it to come to the channel. This is for weekly structure, 480 or 500. If it has like taken time and started moving up, or else like if it comes further down, we can expect even for the downside. That can be expected. But if it is reversing and taking much more time here in the consolidation, then we can expect one more buy. Yeah, nice. On the weekly, it is fine. The daily basis we look. At least for this level, we can keep target for the buy side only, not to sell in case of Bitcoin. Maybe to the level of 14,600 or 14,347. So here in this structure, I'm looking for this is a 1 and 2. Something started from this correction. This will be like part of the third, or this will be looking for the buy. So buy, stay in a buy, not to sell in case of Bitcoin. So at least for 14,600 or 14,700, you can look. Or at least minimum to minimum high of this, that will be 13,600. So 13,600 to 14,000 in case of Bitcoin.
And till where can C wave go after that?
C wave will be like 80%. It is like a B wave for me. For example, total A and this is B. And in this, it will be like A and B and C. C
Okay.
can do the high of this. And after that also it will depend like how slow it is going. If it is in the same way, it can go for 61% and 80% of this total fall. So that is 15,000 change it is coming. 61% is 13,500. So it will do first. Okay. If it is like looking like a little impulsive only as it is going the faster. Again, like it will take some time. Then wait. So maybe that will be matching with your 80% of the total fall. Yeah, 80%.
And after that, what are the chances of it going down, and till what level it can go down?
80% if it falls, it might go to the 61% and even to this. Okay. So that will be again. If it is low,
Okay.
don't need to worry. If it is low, it can go for even like 80% and then to the 100%. That can be expected. B wave can be like expected for the 80% minimum. I'm expecting that is for 15,000 change. So if it further, it is in the angle of the trend. So it may go to the 100%. So if angle up means it is like 70 like this, if it is also, it will go. Okay. Or if something has started at this particular down, so that is a good sign. So again, it will be going for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is for 100%. Something started here. So we'll be coming to know when like if something is not good, or you wait for this trend line to break in case something structurally change. So this is important channel for us. So until and unless it not closes or crosses this trend line channel and the important lows, then we will be staying in a buy. So for example, let's say if it is a sharper moment, let's say this has started, I'm thinking this as a 1 and 2. It is for the third, 3 of 1. Okay, let's say 3 of 3 will go like this, and 3 of 5 will go like this. Right? So after that, so my channel will be changing from this. So after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 3, 4, one consolidation. After this one more. So this can also be possibility, but that depend how it goes. So if I'm expecting this to do, so it has to stay in a trend. That's it. So until and unless it crosses these trend lines, I'm not worrying about the selling. Okay, it can go to the 80% or 100%, even to the 138%. That can be fine.
And okay. And then a big C wave will come down, right? After this wave.
It's like A, if it is a part of the, let's say this is like A, B, and C. Okay, you know, like 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. If it is third wave, let's say this is the something as A, and something else, something ended here. Let's say like some correction has ended in this particular zone of Bitcoin. Then what we can expect is this is whatever it started, it is a new impulse.
Right.
What will be our target? So it will be like in log scale I'm looking. So that will be down to this top and this top.
Okay.
Also one another possibility. So that will be like for if it is like new started means if it protects this trend line, let's say this trend line, then this is the new structure. So something has started here. So after this it will be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Maybe for what is it, 26,000 or 22.60, 2.80 or something it is coming. I mean 1,80,000 or something.
Okay.
At least top means you can expect it to go 1 lakh, 1,15,000 euros.
Okay. This is not a log scale, no?
This is log scale.
Okay. Okay.
This is log scale. This is log scale. So if it is not log scale, at least like first to the 100%, not like if it is like first or third wave or something. So at least 27,000 and to the 61% will be 31,000. That is fine.
So structure wise, is there any chance that it can come down to 4,000 or 2,000 levels?
Not looking not looking as per now.
Okay.
First, downside is sharper, but after this, this is a long consolidation. So here we can expect at least 100% and 138% of this will complete the structure of this. So after this, we'll be looking only to this. If it is sharper, we can expect 5,000, but not maybe below that.
Right. Okay.
Below that, maybe 8,000 level or 10,000 level. After once it done the 14 or 16,000, it might come to the 10,000 and 8,000. Then one more.
Okay. Thank you.
We want M&M on M&M on daily basis or Mahindra. Indian Mahindra Finance, M&M both means Mahindra and Mahindra Finance. Okay. Mahindra and Mahindra Finance.
Okay.
I love to see.
Here. It has done. So now it is at 50%. The way it is moving, maybe like here it's a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So 3 is written. Now this new structure will be like a X or something new. So here it is like a 1 and 2. After this, this will be 3 and 4. This will be like a 5th, 5th, and 5th. Okay. So something is completed here on the basis of daily. So we need to wait for this trend line to give a breakout and look for the sell setup. On the hourly basis. If like something started here as 1 and 2, it might be like 3 and 4. If it is 5, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, but not closing below 599 or 600, we can stay in a buy one more. But when it crosses the below 600 level, there is structurally something is changing. So you can expect this price to come to this channel at least. So one fall. Daily basis. It is near 50%. So two possibilities are here. So here it can come to the 61%. But the time wise, if you're seeing, it is like sharper. So it can be happen like if after this correction, it can go further up to 61% and then to the 80%. So that will be going for the upside on daily basis. But some correction can be expected here because this is like a smaller correction, maybe the 38% or 61%. So here, if it is a 38% correction, so then it has to go in a form of triangle. So here, if it is do the triangle, then it will spend some more time. So this will be like A and B and C. The further 708 and 817 can be expected, but on the hourly basis, it is definitely going to go some in the form of correction. So maybe to the level of 600 or 511. So on the hourly basis, you can look for the sell, but on the daily, it is in the for the buy side. Okay. Finance finance. Normal scale. Yeah, it is in the inside channel, but if you, yes, it is just consolidating above the channel of this lower side. For me, like something has ended at this particular zone, something has new started. Maybe this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, like this. We can expect if it is like consolidating here, we can expect one upside, maybe to the level of 205 or 200 level. Then we will look further like how it falls here. Okay, so as of now, you can look for the buy, a small sell up to the level of 116 or 114. Then we can expect one up. Okay, and anytime it can reverse because this is a sharper compared to this X. So it can reverse from this level or this level or from this level. So it's better you can wait for this complete structure to complete, then you can look for the buy or sell setup. So it is now on the trend line. So it might go to the 61% and 80% of this, that is for the minimum. So after that, you can go for buy. If it is like taking support here, you can look for the buy from the level of 142 to 162 and 181. And then wait how it behaves. After this, if it consolidates one more time, then you can look for 206, and then it will, if it will be doing this, and after this also it will be one more for. Okay. Hourly basis, it is in the channel stop, it might be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So here on the hourly basis, it might done something as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here it is a, B, and C. Now in this from C, you can see 1, 2, and here it might be 3 and 4 and 5. Okay. On this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be the 5. But we can expect some correction here, but it can go a little bit upper first, that is 31% or 50%, then it might fall, and one consolidation. Okay, on hourly basis, it can be like for the sell, but it can go up to the level of 61% of this total. So maybe this after this 1, 2, this will be like 3, 4, and 5. After that, it might be going for this. That will be A, B, and C, and this is for A. This is for B. We'll be expecting C. Okay. So in this, you can look for sell, then buy, then sell on the daily hourly basis. But on the daily basis, it is at the channel stop. One can exit and re-enter, but I won't suggest here because after this one correction, whatever the level it might come to the level of, if it is coming to the like level of this, that is 61% or 80%, then again it will be going for one more. So one can, if you have like 100 stocks, I would prefer like exit 25 and enter 25 whenever you feel like. Don't enter like exit for the 100% of the stock you have. Only 25% because after this it might go one more up. Okay. I hope. So there is no audio now because the power is disconnected. So if you have any questions, you can type or say you can win.
Sir, MCX, sir.
There is only 1 minute time left. Sun TV, I can really look one. I stuck it. I bought it 144 and it is a download. Okay. We could quickly look into the Sun TV because very less time I have. Might be the neutral triangle 164. You bought at 644. Okay, what level? You stuck it here. Okay, so it can go